Yes, guys. Smoked turkey soup in the making here. It's Boxing Day. Revival food.
Happy birthday, Rupa, Chandni, and Lava.
Smoked turkey soup. After our last Christmas line, we going to balance with some reviving soup. Dumpling making my wife here and Rupa day. I'm throwing out dumpling on it.
I want to see the fire, she said.
You going to chula side you cooking in it?
Yeah, still fire lighted, you know, I'll be chula side.
Dumpling and throw it in the pot. Proper thing, some nice smoked turkey here. Corn. The dashin and sip it, I believe melt. So still have some little pieces of dashin. Proper thing there, no lie, no mama guy. Okay, pot. Happy Boxing Day to everyone and all as well. Take it turn out some soup here now. Amazing hot soup, boy. Yeah, what do you mean? Go on. And the shop favorite and a dumpling. Yeah. There are some dal and lentils in here and all. Tomato. You know how much you do not know Maggi soup or vegetable soup? Proper thing here, you know. No lie, no mama guy. The soup gonna get real thick when it pull down. It's still okay in the spoon. Still coat in the spoon. Now we're gonna add in this a nice half past 7 pot pepper. We have a scorpion pepper 7 pot. Right, there we go. Don't forget to knock our pot. Alright, so you have your 7 pot pepper. With the soup here. Soup in this pot. So I will leave the recipe, my smoked turkey recipe. We'll leave it on the end screen. Follow the recipe and see something. And if you're making it and you do have everything, what you have on the recipe, do what you add what you have. Plan this morning was to make curry goat. Plan change. Pop rice, water, take long rice water, drop our soup. That pepper getting on. So I know all the time before Christmas just store the fish. But we bake the ham, they bake the turkey. For fish broth. They store the fish with the fish broth. And then if you have a ham or turkey, you have to do debone it. Throw the bone in a soup and make it, because usually when we bake turkey, we just slice up everything, store it in a clip container, and put the bone in the freezer. So when you're ready for a piece of turkey to eat, you have to take out the whole thing and cut up, you already have it sliced up. Quick technique. So we're going to finish up this. Look out for some more content coming. I know I was behind with content. I'm going to see how much I could do this Christmas, right? I'm interested ones. See how that go. Proper thing. So you hope everybody had a good Christmas. Pass you safe. Only hustle and bustle for shopping and finish. A lot of people will be out and about again for the Old Year's Night Lime, New Year's Night Lime. Getting the stuff, getting the goat, getting the pork, lamb, whatever to barbecue Old Year's Night, I think. So this turkey, guys, I bought is actually the quality back and neck of turkey, smoked turkey. And extra food was like $10 a pack. With probably about 12 pieces like this. And not much, you get meat in it, eh? But not much of the meat here, where more the bone for the flavor. It's just the flavor for the soup. And we are the Trini out and about the pasta sauce here. No lie, no mama guy. And there's a raw pepper man though. So we're gonna finish up this soup here. About turn to make. Don't know what we're doing yet this evening. What plan I can do, what vlog I can make. But I get invitation from a few people to come by them. But the more special family, I think more now, you know, so especially today and yesterday. So you're gonna finish up this as I say. See you again soon. Have a safe and wonderful Boxing Day. Until next edition, guys. Knock up.